Hey guys, welcome back to War on Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Fiat 500, guys. If you have a Fiat 500, your horn doesn't work, you're trying to find a relay, stay with us, we'll explain that in this video today. We also have a special video about the horn fuse if you need to check it out, and top reasons why horn does not work on Fiat 500, we have that video as well. So let's go ahead, explain how to do that on this Fiat 500. So before we start, guys, let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. If you want to see any specific videos on Fiat 500, leave a comment below, that way we can get an idea, and if we have time we'll try to make a video for your specific problem. If you need to buy any parts, tools, you want to save quite a bit of money, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from as well. All we need to do now, open the hood. You have two different fuse boxes. One is located under the hood, one is inside the car. For any of you guys that need to check where the fuses and relays are located on Fiat 500, we have a special video on the channel, where are the fuses and relays. That's one relay right here that we have. You will have different relays. If you want to see how to test the relay and find out if that's a problem or not, we have a special video that explains how to test the relay in just a few seconds. I'll put the link in the description of the video below. Another thing, guys, if you need to buy relays for a good price and quick shipping, check out the link and you can see where we get them from. This is your main fuse box. That's where we will be working now. In order to get to the relays, remove that bolt, pull it down, grab, okay, just like that. Now if you look right here, guys, good news, okay, let me position it. Okay, the good news is that the fuse numbers and relay numbers are listed on the back side of the fuse box. Bad news, okay, they're not in order and you don't know what they're for. The one for the horn, the relay for the horn, if you come on the very bottom right here, that second relay from left to right, even if you have an empty spot, it will be that relay, okay, T03 right here. That's the relay, guys, okay, for the horn that you need to check. If you want to test it or replace it with a new one, check out the link in the description of the video below. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.